Yes, I know I said I don't want to spend much money on flights, but this one was so cheap, I thought it was worth spending the extra $1. I enjoyed my first few days in Chiang Mai. I visited the street markets and also some more temples. And today I'm gonna do a Thai cooking class. So we just had an introduction here at the local farm. It seems like they grow pretty much everything they use for the cooking class here right on the farm. And yeah, it was nice. And now we're off to the cooking. We just cooked and ate our first meal, which was a pad thai, and I think that was just the beginning. We're gonna cook a soup, a curry, and a dessert also now. We just finished cooking class with Master Chief Gob. It was very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Today I'm doing a day tour which includes trekking, bamboo rafting, and also taking care of elephants. Let's check it out. This bamboo rafting was really fun, and now we're gonna take a hike through the jungle and maybe see some elephants after. So this dog just started following us after we passed like a building in a small village down there. And I don't know if he belongs to the guide or not, but he seems to like us.
Gonna dig the hole to lay the egg. Maybe find a new hole.
So the dog just found the gecko.
Listen.
We've been walking through the jungle for like 2 hours now, and I'm so sweating. The heat and the humidity is really killing me, but luckily there is a waterfall where we can take a swim. Was chilling at the waterfall place inside the jungle, and now it starts to rain, so we hurry up and get to the elephant camp. Hi doggy. So we just made these vitamin balls right here, and now we're gonna feed them to the elephants. that was the feeding, and I think now we're gonna take a shower with them. So, quick lesson about elephant tourism in Thailand. If you go to a place where you can ride elephants on the back, please don't do that. It's most likely that they hurt the animals to do that, or they don't treat them really nice. I think the better option is to go to a sanctuary where they actually they save the elephants from places like this, and they bring them here, and they have a way better life here, and you get to spend time with the elephant. You can take a bath like I did, and I think that is way nicer than just riding the elephant on the back. So I hope you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and comment if you've got something on your mind. And yeah, I see you in the next video.
Okay?
Yeah.